On this new short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this. It will take you into the app informations page. Click here on the internal storage or the storage. This is the most important step. Click on clear data and click on delete. Go back and now click on the data usage right here. Make sure to enable all those options right here and disable only the background data like this. Go back, click here on force stop, and now the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.